that you filming?
Yeah, you what's on now?
Alright, so we were woken at about
Half past three.
3:30.
Yes.
And we shouted for a little bit
And clapped.
and clapped,
And then we thought we were waking up the campsite by trying to stop them snoring.
which would have been unfair. So we decided that the best thing to do was move house.
And we tried to go just 5 metres, but even that was still within range. So we moved right beside the river
So
to try and drown it
the
out.
noise the river drowned out.
Well, I wouldn't care, but John was complaining last night that he thought the sheep were making a lot of noise.